I am going to pull the fire alarm. Yay! I pulled the fire alarm. Oh no! It's the principal.
Slendrina. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You are suspended for 2 weeks. Go home right now while I call your guardians. Hello. Slendrina's guardians. Slendrina pulled the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 2 weeks. Can you ground her? Okay. Goodbye.
Slendrina. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 2 weeks? That's it. You are grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your room right now.